Come along and look with me at the happy farm under the tree, with a bounce, bounce here and a bounce, bounce there. Happy children everywhere. Oh, we have a lovely farm, full of love and full of charm. Oh, the happy farm is bright and gay. We love to sing and we love to play. Come along and see the view. The animals are waiting for you. And on this farm we meet a cow, singing loud and showing how, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. We can laugh and dance all day, watching the happy cow play. And on this farm we meet a duck, splash, splash, splashing, what a luck! With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Moo moo here and a quack, quack there. Music, music everywhere. Oh, the happy farm is bright and gay. We love to sing and we love to play. Come along and see the view. The animals are waiting for you. And on this farm we meet a sheep, soft and fluffy, fast asleep, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Quack, quack here and a ba-ba there. Smiling faces everywhere. And on this farm we meet a pig, dancing around, big and big, with an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Ba-ba here and an oink, oink there. Joy and laughter in the air. Now it's time to wave goodbye underneath the sunny sky. Moo moo, quack, quack, ba-ba, oink. The happy farm is where we join.